Hey, this is me 5 months ago. This video was recorded on June this year. Have you ever imagined where would you be if you started 12 months ago? And now I want you to imagine where do you see yourself in the next 12 months? Are you driving your favorite car? Do you manage to pay your bills? Are your friends proud of you? Are your family proud of you? Are they proud of the person you have become? Do you feel satisfied with the success that you have right now? Yes, all these are possible, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your imagination into reality. But also, I'll be so happy to share with you a little bit about my story. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Hans David. I talk about side hustle and personal growth. In this video, I'm here to talk to you about how you can change 2024 into a very successful year. If you are dreaming about starting any business, if you are dreaming about pursuing any career, this is your time. If you're dreaming about getting good grades in your class, this is the best time for you to start preparing. This video is made for everyone. I've seen young people 13 years old, 14 years old, they're doing amazing work and they feel proud of who they're becoming. But also I've seen old people more than 55 years old up to 65 years old, they're doing amazing work. So it really doesn't matter about how old are you right now, because we're in this generation, there are a lot of opportunity for you to start making money, for you to become a better version of yourself. So this video is just for you, and if you're watching this video, I think you have something in your heart, you have this burning desire that you really want to change your life and you really want to become the better version of you. So the first thing that you may want to do to make sure that you are going to change your life completely right now, you have to write down 5 goals. And if you're writing these goals, you have to make sure that these things are really going to turn around your life and are really going to make you truly happy. So you have to write like this. As for me, I could write, I really need to have financial freedom. I want a nice house. I want nice cars. I need a good life and happy life. I need my family to be happy all the time. This is what I could have written. You have to write 5 goals that you really want to achieve in a period of time. So this is a very powerful thing, writing down what you really want in a given time. And right after writing down your goals, you need to come up with this scenario, and this scenario is going to help you, to motivate you to keep working on yourself, to keep becoming the better person. This scenario is very important when you really want to achieve your goals. So this scenario is like this. And right now, since you have 5 wishes written down, now with a little imagination, you're going to have to create a scenario. Close your eyes and picture yourself in a very clean details. Imagine how your life has changed, and imagine the kind of house that you're living right now, the kind of car that you're driving right now, the kind of clothes you're wearing, what you're eating for breakfast. Try to imagine that you're having dinner at the hotel with your family and friends. They're all happy for your achievements, and imagine the soft music that is playing in the background, the food and drinks that you are drinking, the smell of your perfume. This is a person that you're going to be in 12 months from now if you're going to start right now. This is going to help you to keep working really hard, because whenever you're thinking about this scenario, you'll be motivated to be working really hard. And I think this scenario has helped so many people. So if you really want to change your life, just do what I said. You have to write down your goals, and then you need to be having this scenario like day and night. You have to be thinking about whether you really want to be in the next few months. But also the next step that you need to have to make sure that you really want to change your life, that you have to choose what is it that you really want to do. It can be content creation. You really want to be a best student in your class. You really want to start a successful business. If you do that, I'm pretty sure that your life is going to change completely. But you need to have this vision on who you really want to become in the next few years, who you really want to become in the next few months. And right now, if you are feeling lost, you're feeling stuck, you really want to do something, but you're thinking about how people are going to talk about you, how are you going to start doing that thing, I think We're living in a generation that there are a lot of opportunity, and you really don't have to think about how people are going to talk about you. It really doesn't matter how old are you. I've seen old people, they're doing content creation. I've seen old people are doing different stuff to make sure that they're living better life. So you can also do that. It doesn't matter if you are 13 years old, if you are 50 years old, you can start right now. You can start today and make sure that your life is going to change completely in the next few months. And I want to tell you a little bit about my story. I was lost just 6 months ago. I was having a really bad time and I was not able to put food on the table. But I'm always thankful that I chose this path. I decided to become content creator. I didn't know anything about finance, but the fact that I had this vision, I started to use this scenario about me picturing myself on the camera, helping people about a different thing that really helped me. And I want to tell you this thing that if you can start right now, if you can start today, you can become the best version of yourself in the next few months. So if you really want to do this, you really need to keep using this method that I've shared with you on this video. You have to write down your goals. Then you need to keep imagining the kind of life that you really want in the future. This will motivate you to become the better person, to become the best version of you. I came to realize that we all have these two versions of ourselves. This is crazy, but trust me, we all have this version of ourselves that we have never seen, we have never experienced. Like me, I can say that I never experienced that one day I could be talking about finance, I could be content creator. But I allowed this version of me to take over, and now I'm very proud of this version of me. This is another version that I never experienced before and is doing very good. So you need to let that version of you that you have never experienced, you need to let that version to take over and start to control your life. You will thank me. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I hope this is going to help you. I hope that this video is going to change your life in the next few months. Let's do this together. Let's change our life together. Thanks so much. As you saw my previous video, I woke up, I prayed, but also I started cleaning my room to make sure that everything is well arranged in this room.
Hi, my name is Hans. I've been facing a lot of challenges.
It was very confusing and I was very tired about my life. I was saying, okay, this time I'm tired of living like this. I have to do something which will help me to get money. And